Hey there! Welcome to a new episode of Embarrassing Money Moments. Today's for those of you who don't stress about not having money, but about feeling like an outsider because you do. Money stuff with friends can be a total vibe check sometimes, but no worries. Whether your wallet's feeling light or you're actually doing pretty sweet compared to your crew, those feelings are totally valid. Let's breeze through some of those awkward money moments with some cool, collected approaches. Choosing inclusive activities saved me. So, opt for hangouts that don't put pressure on anyone's wallet. I'd say, hey, how about a movie night at my place this weekend? I'll make some popcorn and that amazing dip everyone loves.
Sounds great, low-key and fun.
This keeps the focus on your awesome connection rather than what anyone's spending. Bonus points for rotating hosts so everyone gets a chance to contribute in their own way. Then, be mindful of hidden money talk. When you're vibing with friends, watch those mentions of pricey purchases.
Your new car looks amazing.
Thanks. It fits my needs well. How's your car treating you? Didn't you just get that cool sound system installed? See how that redirects to something you can both chat about comfortably? Super smooth. Third, we can offer support with style. If a friend's going through a tight spot financially, there's a cool way to help without making it awkward. So I can go with something like, I have an extra blender that's just collecting dust. Would you be interested? I was about to post it online.
Really? That would help a lot, actually.
Perfect. It's yours. One less thing cluttering my kitchen. This feels like you're solving your problem while helping them out. Everybody wins. Now, before we move on to how to set boundaries when being generous, we've got a whole series on awkward money moments. Find out how to deal with a gambling partner or how to actually say, I'm too broke for this, without feeling humiliated. And hey, subscribe now so you don't miss the next story. Now, let's move on. So, how to set boundaries when being generous. It's totally fine to treat your friends sometimes, but keep it balanced. For instance, if I say, lunch is on me today. Just got that project bonus and want to celebrate with my favorite people. And my friend gratefully replies,
That's so generous of you.
I would always respond with, just sharing the good vibes. Next time you can pick where we hang. This approach keeps things reciprocal and light, not like you're always picking up the tab. After all, you don't want your friend to feel inferior. Now, here's a good one. How to respond when you feel like the group ATM. If you're starting to feel like friends are expecting you to always cover costs, here's how I'd put it if I were you. I've loved treating the group lately, but I need to dial back a bit on spending. How about we try that new pay-as-you-go arcade next week?
Totally get it. That sounds fun anyway.
Setting these boundaries with a cheerful alternative keeps the friendship solid without draining your account. If you sense money tension brewing, address it head-on with good vibes. Something like this. Hey, I hope my recent splurges haven't made things weird between us. Your friendship means way more to me than any purchase.
I did feel a bit out of sync lately.
Let's focus on what we love doing together. I was thinking we could hit up that free concert series this summer. This honest approach actually strengthens your connection rather than letting awkwardness build. Remember, the coolest friendships are built on genuine connections, not what anyone can buy. Keeping things cheerful and relaxed when talking about money stuff lets everyone focus on what really matters. Having an awesome time together. If you found these tips helpful, check out our channel's series on surviving embarrassing money moments. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest stories and advice.